Hi, this is Babelyn from BabelynMalate.com. I make videos that can help grow your online business. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, make sure to hit that subscribe button at notification bell para updated ka palagi sa ating mga bagong video uploads. Clients are asking kung kailangan ba talaga nilang gumawa ng website or landing page. Uy, Lynn, ang mahal-mahal naman ng website, hindi ko afford to. Uy, Lynn, hindi naman ako techie, paano ko ba ito gagawin? Kailangan ko ba talagang gumastos ng ganito kalaki para lang makabenta? And I said, no, hindi mo kailangan gumastos ng malaki kung nagsisimula ka pa lang. Kung meron kayong business, this is something that you need to think about before you even start running Facebook ads. In this video, I'm going to help you understand the difference between the website and landing page. And also, I'm going to look at 3 points that will help you understand and finally decide later on kung gagamitin nyo ba ay website or landing page. At para maunawaan natin ang pinagkaiba ng website at landing page, isipin na lang po natin yung bahay, di ba? So, yung bahay, meron siyang pinaka main door and pagpasok nyo, may makikita kayong mga rooms doon. Meron tayong living room, kitchen, bedroom. So, yung bahay, yan po yung website. Sa website, maraming iba't ibang section. Yun yung rooms na nasa loob ng bahay kung titingnan. So, kung isipin natin, malaki siya. So, yung website malaki din at maraming content or information po yung website. Kagaya na lang ng libro, di ba? So, yung isang libro, so ito yung ginagamit ko na book sa pagtuturo ng US history. Ang kapal, ano? So, ito yung sinasabi natin na website, ganyan. So, ang kapal, di ba? Maraming information yung website kagaya ng libro na to. So, isipin nyo na lang po na yung website is parang bahay at parang libro. Ngayon, ano naman yung landing page? Yung landing page, pag pumasok ka sa isang kwarto dun sa loob ng bahay, yun yung landing page. May isang pinto din, pero very specific para lang sa isang bagay. Halimbawa, yung kwarto, yung tulugan, bedroom. So, sa bedroom, papasok kayo doon, matutulog. So, specific siya para doon sa isang activity na yon. So, kagaya rin sa libro, pag pinuntahan mo yung isang chapter, di ba? Very specific siya sa isang content. Yun lang yung pag-aaralan nyo, isang topic doon sa isang chapter or doon sa isang page ng book. So, ganun po natin iisipin or titingnan yung pinagkaiba ng website. So, sa website, maraming information, maraming mga sections and tabs na makikita kayo. And doon naman sa landing page, very simple, direct to the point, may isang pinapagawa lang po sa mga visitors and audience na pupunta doon sa page. Alright, so ngayon, pumunta naman tayo sa mga factors na gusto kong explain para mas maunawaan pa natin ang website at landing page. So, una, yung purpose. Isipin po natin kung ano yung purpose ng site natin or ng website natin or ng landing page. So, yung sa website, syempre, ginawa siya to give more information to people. So, doon yung makikita yung mga blogs, makikita nyo yung about section, makikita nyo yung contact information. So, kung sabihin na natin lahat-lahat nandoon. Very detailed nga siya just to help visitors na makakuha ng information about your business. So, halimbawa, tinype nila yung business nyo sa Google and once they landed on your website, they can find anything that they want to find that is relevant and related to your business. So, kung gusto mong 24/7 available yung information about your company, kailangan may website ka. Kasi pag ginugol nga nila yan, palagi ka nilang makikita online. There's always a hub or a place for them to visit. Yun yung pinaka-advantage ng having a website. Bigyan ko kayo ng example. Halimbawa, yung mga coaches or entrepreneur, kasi nga nagbe-build sila ng brand awareness, it is important for them to have a website. And also, yung e-commerce business. So, ang intention ng e-commerce is of course to bring people to their site para bumili sila ng items. Kung may listing kayo ng items doon, ilalagay nyo lahat, syempre. So, people can shop doon sa website nyo. So, isa pa yung example, yung mga e-commerce business, kailangan talaga nilang magkaroon ng e-commerce website. Ang purpose naman ng landing page is to collect leads. So, ano ba yung mga leads? Yung mga leads yan yung mga potential clients and prospects in the future na bibili ng service or products mo. Ang goal ng landing page is to directly get their email, contact information para pumasok po sila doon sa ating automation. Para ma-nurture pa natin yung relationship natin sa mga possible clients or customers and eventually turn them into sales. Kagaya na lang ng mga affiliate marketers like me, we use landing pages a lot because we offer different products or services and we put them into a funnel para ma-nurture yung relationship and eventually convince them to avail the service or the product. Pangalawa, pag-uusapan naman natin ang conversion traffic. So, alam niyo na yung traffic, yung visitors or mga audience na pumupunta sa inyong website or landing page. Ngayon, paano kung meron ng traffic? Paano kung meron na kayong list, may mga visitors na sa inyong website? Titingnan naman natin yung conversion. So, yung conversion, ibig sabihin, yung leads or yung mga audience ay bumili ng product or service mo. Yung sa website, pag sinabi nating website nga, as I said a while ago, ang purpose niya is to give information. So, normally, people are just expecting that, I type your company name sa Google, I go there to your website, and I will just get information. I will see what information I need from your company. It's either the contact information or the location, but not necessarily buying something. So, walang action na ganun. Hindi ginawa ng audience yun because yung intention nga ng website is just to give information. Now, yung mga e-commerce website naman, syempre, because yung purpose ng e-commerce website is different. Automatically, once people go to the e-commerce website, we are anticipating na bibili sila kasi nandun yung mga list ng products mo. So, it is specifically designed for that. So, different din siya sa website na kung saan makikita mo lang yung information about the company and then yung mga blogs. So, people are expecting to basically just read through, peruse, and tingnan yung mga nakalagay doon sa iyong website. Ngayon naman, yung conversion rate ng landing page is obviously higher than the website. Kasi, again, ang purpose ng landing page is to collect people that will be interested on your product or service. So, once na nag-sign up sila doon, it means that they're raising their hand, hey, I'm interested on your product. And therefore, talagang bibili sila sa ino-offer mo doon sa iyong funnel. So, napaka-specific niya about targeting people that will turn into a sale. So, if you are just doing a business that is for that, specifically purpose on getting leads and getting sales, then landing page is good for you. And pangatlo, pag-uusapan naman natin yung price. So, obviously, mas mahal ang website kaysa sa landing page. Yung mga companies na my website, usually, sila talaga yung mga established na companies na, and they pay for the initial setup and they pay for the monthly maintenance. Ngayon, kung hindi ka naman techie at wala kang alam about website development, I highly suggest na humanap ka ng website developer para gawin itong website mo. So, we offer also that service. Just go ahead and check our website and go to the services section. Updating and maintaining your website is also very important kasi ayaw natin na ma-hack yung website natin and gusto natin always protected siya and always available for the visitors. Kailangan yung download rate ng page nyo is mabilis para hindi naglalag at para madaling, user-friendly siya sa mga tao. Pagdating naman sa landing page, obviously, mas mura yung landing page. Sa landing page, hindi siya masyadong kailangan ng maintenance because you can always update your landing pages. It's very easy to set up. Kung nakikita niyo yung aking website na www.babelynmalate.com, actually, hindi talaga siya website kasi hindi naman siya hosted. But I bought my domain from GoDaddy me, and then after that I created multiple pages that is linked from my homepage to other pages. So yun yung kagandahan ng landing page, kasi kahit kayo pwede nyo siyang gawin, drag and drop lang, i-set up, and then i-design nyo yung inyong landing page, yung mga pages. Pero kung hindi kayo techie, wala kayong alam about this copywriting, and then yung pag-design ng page, you can also have people do this for you. You can check our services again for that. And also, if you are interested of setting up your own landing pages with the use of a tool, of course, kailangan nyo ng tool para makagawa kayo ng mga landing pages. I use GetResponse, so you can try their 30-day free trial. Nakalagay po yung link sa description if you are interested of, making your own and doing it by yourself. Ngayon, kung ikaw naman ay mommy na talagang walang time gumawa ng mga ganitong bagay, I highly suggest na ipagawa mo na lang, kasi may mga experts and highly qualified people that can do this for you. And maybe, you have other things that are important for you na kailangan ikaw yung gumawa, then you always have an option. Alright, quick recap dun sa pinag-usapan natin. So, tiningnan po natin yung 3 factors na makakatulong sa inyo na makapag-decide kung mag-website kayo or gagawa kayo ng landing page. So, una nga, yung purpose ng site. Pangalawa, yung conversion of traffic. At pangatlo, yung tinatawag nating price, of course. My recommendation is that if you are starting just now, it's just a new business, I highly recommend you start from the simple. Go with the landing page first and see how it works, especially kung kayo ang gagawa. Ngayon, kung hindi naman kayo ang gagawa, you have to think about the purpose of your business. Kung afford nyo naman magkaroon ng website, at kung yung business nyo is about e-commerce and really selling items and products, na kailangan po natin gumawa ng website. So, think about the purpose of your business and the purpose of your site, and think about your actual situation. And another thing that we need to look at would be our long-term goals. So, paano ba natin i-strategize yung business natin in a long run? And we need to make sure na sustainable po siya, na kaya natin siyang suportahan in a long run. I believe that there is no one-size-fits-all business. You have to think about the strategy that you will do that will affect your business in a long run. So in this video, I shared what I have learned through online business in the last 4 years. I'm just sharing my experience and knowledge to you, but at the end of the day, you always have the choice and make decision for your own business and for your own personal growth. So think about simplicity and the long-term goal. I hope na nakatulong na naman po itong video natin, and kung nakatulong nga siya sa inyo, kindly share it to the other entrepreneur mom at sa mga tao na nangangailangan ng mga ganitong information. So, I try to provide honest and reliable information na makakatulong sa inyong online business. And again, I will take this opportunity na pasalamatan po yung mga nanonood ng ating videos. If you are giving comments down there and sharing this video and giving me thumbs up, nakakatulong po yan to motivate us to continue and give you more valuable information. So, kung meron po kayong mga content or questions na gusto nyong masagot, please just leave it there in the comment section. And once again, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!